How to delete images from ChatGPT library. Need to clear out old images from your ChatGPT library? Here's the easy step-by-step guide. So start by opening your ChatGPT library or history. So on the library or history, you'll find all of the images you've generated with ChatGPT. So once you head over into the images tab under more, you'll find all of the images you've generated in the past on ChatGPT. So to delete an image, click on this edit button at the bottom right of the image. Choose delete or remove from library, confirm when prompted to permanently remove the image. Repeat the process for each image you want to clear. Currently, a deletion is manual and there's no bulk delete option. Deleting images in ChatGPT is simple but manual. Open, select, delete, and confirm for each file to keep your library organized.